How to create a shared folder in Microsoft OneDrive. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Take It Simple. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how to create a shared folder in Microsoft OneDrive. So let's begin. It is a quite easy and simple process. Firstly, open your Microsoft OneDrive application. Once you open your application, this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. If you look at the bottom of the screen, here you will see different options. Click on the second option, Files, beside the camera icon. Here you will find the different folders and files in the screen. Now let's say I want to share this file, so just click on that three dot icon beside the file. Once you click on that three dot icon, here you will see different options. From the different options, click on the first option, share, and wait for some second. Once you are here, again you will see different options in the screen. Among the different options, click on the option that says invite people. Finally, here you can see the option of share with, and below that here you will see the option to enter the Hotmail address. Just enter the Hotmail address of that person you want to share this folder with and click on add option at the top right corner. Once you add the Hotmail address, you are good to go. In this simple way, you can create a shared folder in Microsoft OneDrive. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.